Hi, I'm Evan of Personas, and today we're going to talk about some simple tips to manage and organize your mix utilizing the Personas StudioLive 32 Series 3 mixer. So, as a general rule of thumb when I mix for marching band, I like to have my mix organized in terms of what is going into the mix and the priority levels those are in the mix. Generally speaking, in marching band, electronics are primarily coming through the electronic mix, so I like to organize those first. Usually I'll do a synth in channels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, depending how many players we have. And next I'll add like electronic samplers or drum pads in. The next thing I'll do is start building out any other rhythm section instruments that might complement those electronic instruments. So that way everything is kind of right in a flow and in the row right beside each other. Next I'll put any of my solos. That way they're prioritized in the center of the console. So let's say we're going to have a solo on 14, 15, and 16. Those are right in the center of the console, easy to get to, and those move around a lot, usually during a show. The last section, I'll put any mallet instruments on. Generally speaking, mallet instruments are usually a set and forget type of level, or we're going to bring a master up and down of those through a DCA group. It's something you're not moving individual channels a whole lot on. So that's how I organize my mix. I recommend you give it a shot. You can also try any other way that works for you. What is awesome about the StudioLive mixers is that your workflow can be customized however you like it. For more information, visit personas.com.